Yo, did no one look at the radar today or what?
Yes, it's raining. This shit's coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom, boom.
Trail over there that looks like it might be easier.
She said that.
Piece arm, let me see. Grab the stick, do this trick. Ooh. Claim it. That'll work.
It was really had you and then you
We're going.
Fabulous. Keep it up. Keep it up.
harder. A lot of people in the water.
Oh well, it's not private. Where am I at? We're all gonna go in the water right now, everybody, and then we're all gonna just jump in, hold hands, and swish away. Welcome to the group, live from Hawaii. We made it to Hawaii, everybody. We're in Oahu at the waterfall of wisdom.
Holy shit, Jeremy, this is cool.
We're going in the waterfall.
Oh my god.
Come on up, Ethan.
No. What the Jeremy, that was the coolest thing I've ever fucking seen. Holy shit. I don't know.
All right, Ethan.
My feet are tickled right there. Oh my god. The easy way, no way.
Your goal is to get up there and play the ukulele. If you need my arm, I'm here for you.
Thanks, man.
Okay. See, that's the view right there. The stick of wisdom.
No, it like legit works.
Oh, I think he wants to go.
I don't know how to play the ukulele.
Yeah, this is right here, the vibe.
Get a video now.
Give me that stick.
Okay, right here we have coverage.
Huh?
There's coverage right here.
You're in a waterfall. Yo, did no one look at the radar today or what?
Yes, it's raining. This shit's coming down.
Every time I'm with y'all in public wearing this shirt, it rains.
Weatherman. I guess it don't matter now. Hey, we leaving?
Damn, my shoes are getting wet. Shit.
Let's go. Let's go, Jess. We're gonna go this way. Into the mist. We're in the Amazon rainforest, man. Come on this way. Follow us here.
My shoes are on your head. What the fuck do I do?
You're bouncing. My shoes are not wet, though.
Shit, I just picked up more.
No one grabbed my shoes. What the Sam Billy? Man, we gotta survive this on our own. my goodness. Nope, I don't need that shit.
Oh, it's wet. It's pouring. And I'm freezing. Ow, ow, ow.
What?
Cold. It's so cold. Really cold.
I want jacuzzi.
What the? Okay, I have a jacket, but I don't want to pull it out because I don't want it to get wet.
Guys.
Let's go.
Okay, we're onward and upward.
Alright, guys.
I saw you be like, hey.
That way.
Alright, keep moving, you warmer. Oh, yeah. This is crazy.
It's all a mindset.
Yeah, this is good. Do we go up this way?
Keep going, Justin.
This. I don't know.
There's Hawaiian koalas up there.
I don't know if I got that. Sorry.
Whoa. Damn. The cripple made a quick.
Don't call me that.
Hey, we all are.
Oh, yeah.
Anyone on the disabled list or no? This is Ethan Flores.
Hey.
Christopher. We're walking through the forest. I'm just here.
Never get strained.
That's the end of it.
Welcome back. Whoa. No worries. We're just out here tromping in the mud. Whoa. We're gonna take a
God dang puddle.
The full lean forward,
But that's on
sprinting
purpose.
downhill is hilarious.
Because I can catch myself with my hands.
No. That's the opposite of what you want to do. You catch yourself. We can butt if you fall back.
I don't want to get dirt on my...
You already have. I think sitting on the rock made you get out dirt on your butt. Look at it.
You have some heinous content on here, Jeremy.
Me and Bella arguing about dirt on the butt.
We're arguing
It
about...
doesn't matter. You have to find content that someone wants to watch. Okay. You want to watch it doesn't make content that they want to watch. Follow.
Hey. Ah.
Oh, okay. I know where this is. 19 minutes of footage.
Oh, that scared me.
Keep walking over the water.
Go, move.
They said to keep walking.
What if we went away and then...
Oh, people now.
And Christine Girl, I did not see the 3, 2, 1. I didn't see the 3, 2, 1. Oh no. No.
Big ass group.
Okay, wait. No, go! Girl, this one.
All right, they're back at the car now. Whoa! This is crazy. It just opens up. Look at this.
Oh my God, it's firefly.
Whoa!
There's gotta be a rainbow somewhere.
Somewhere. Oh, there it is. This is the view. What? Gabe plays the ukulele every day. He doesn't even have to say anything. Hey, doesn't walk, but he moves. Justin's here. He's so cool. Ooh, ooh. Look at his trail. I know, right?
So fun.
That might have been the most athletic feat I've seen in a while.
I don't know. You just let your feet slide.
I'm not doing 1 foot.
Suck.
That was impressive. I salute you.
Thank you.
this path, this view is crazy.
Whoa! There's a river.
There's a river. It's like the Hoover Dam.
Don't compare.
We have a personal entourage musician over here just casually entertaining us the whole time. It's insane, right? I thought it was like a little field or something. This is like a whole national park. This? Oh, that's a good one right there. You got barbed wire, like someone can jump over there and do anything.
We're gonna blow away.
Look at that. You know they're slow and Gabe's in the front. He made it.
Oh gosh. Oh boy.
Thank you for your content creating power. We will get 30 cents. The wind's gonna blow our hut away. We must run now.
I want to run in that field so bad.
Well, what's holding you back?
It's gonna be water all down there. You see that hole?
Forget the question. You can't. That's a fear. That's not going through it. We are locomoto, subtle and slow. Slow and steady practice.
I'm so scared. I am so scared. I am so scared.
There it is. It's gonna end on its last leg. What?
Brad, which hole? That one? I don't know. We've never done this before.
Give me back the car. Oh, I'm doing this. Are you kidding me?
Oh, this is the Lulumahu Falls. Yeah.